Are you an executive currently looking for work? My name is JT O'Donnell and welcome to Executive Insider. This is career advice for the six-figure professional. So today I want to give you 3 tips for executive job search that are really going to help expedite this process for you. We know that as a successful professional who's climbed the ladder, you're all about working smarter, not harder, and these 3 tips are really going to help you. So the first tip that I have for you today is to create an interview bucket list. This is a list of 10 to 20 companies that you think would be a great match for your skill sets. You should be doing your homework. You should be figuring out the kinds of companies you want to partner with. As an executive, you truly are a business of one who's trying to match their services. And so choosing the customers that you want to work with is going to guarantee a better partnership and a win-win situation. By doing your homework, it's also going to make it a lot easier for you to do some networking, which leads to my second tip. The best jobs are gotten via referral. In fact, over 80% of all jobs today are gotten via referral. That number skyrockets even higher when you hit the executive level. These days, you should always try to find someone at an organization where there's an open position or where you'd like to work and see if you can get referred in. It's just a stronger way to do it. If you think about it, networking is really the way that we have built our careers. We know that we need a strong network. We need to be able to leverage peer resources. So it's a natural assumption that you would find your next job through a referral. LinkedIn also has done studies that show that weak ties are second-line connections. So you know somebody who knows somebody is one of the best ways to get a job. This really speaks to that referral rate piece. So using your network and always seeking referral whenever possible is the best way to expedite and get to the front of the line in those job opportunities that you're seeking. Now, my last tip for you is to utilize a disruptive cover letter. And if you don't know what that is, please check out the video that we've done recently on this. It is so important today that you not make the huge mistake of creating a cover letter that works against you. We've seen a lot of old school techniques executives are using and they don't understand it's sending the wrong message. A disruptive cover letter is going to get the employer at hello and it's going to show them your connection to the company. They're going to love it because you're going to be talking about them instead of yourself. And that distinction is so key today where job searches become a lot more evolved and sophisticated. All right, there you have it. 3 tips as an executive that you need to adopt to make sure that your job search is more efficient and effective. If you've got questions, comments, feedback, please feel free to share them below. And more importantly, if you'd like to work with a team of trained experts like myself on your job search, please check out our new executive membership program over at Work It Daily. We will help you through every step of the process. You're also going to work with an incredible group of peers, and it's all in a secure and private network. So I hope you'll check out the resource in the link below. All right, until the next video, I wish you the best. And remember, like I said, if you want to win that executive game, you've got to work it daily.